Welcome to Davi Toons Club! Today, we're drawing one of Pixar's most legendary space heroes, Buzz Lightyear from Toy Story. If you love Disney, Pixar, fun cartoon characters, and relaxing drawing tutorials, you've come to the right place. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, leave a like, and turn on notifications. Grab your pencils, get comfy, and let's get started. We'll begin by sketching Buzz's head and facial features. Take your time drawing the large eyes, confident smile, strong eyebrows, and distinctive chin. These features really capture Buzz's brave and determined personality. While we're drawing, here are some fun facts about Buzz Lightyear and the Toy Story universe. Buzz Lightyear made his first appearance in the original Toy Story, released in 1995, the world's first fully computer-animated feature film. Buzz was voiced by legendary actor Tim Allen throughout the 4 main Toy Story movies. Buzz's famous catchphrase is, "To infinity and beyond!" If you ever need a little more time, don't hesitate to pause the video and continue at your own pace. Drawing should always be relaxing and enjoyable. When Buzz first arrives in Andy's room, he truly believes he's a real space ranger rather than a toy. Buzz's character was inspired by classic science fiction heroes and astronauts from vintage space adventures. In Toy Story 2, Buzz meets another Buzz Lightyear action figure who also believes he's a real space ranger. Buzz and Woody begin as rivals, but eventually become one of the greatest friendships in animated movie history. In Toy Story 3, Buzz accidentally gets switched into his hilarious Spanish mode, creating some of the funniest scenes in the entire series. Next, we'll start building his famous Space Ranger suit. Buzz's armor includes lots of interesting panels, buttons, and mechanical shapes. Don't worry if it looks complex at first. We'll simplify everything step by step. Buzz's suit features buttons, lights, and pop-out wings, making him one of the most detailed toy designs in the Toy Story universe. The Toy Story franchise has won multiple Academy Awards and remains one of Pixar's most beloved and successful film series. If you're enjoying this tutorial, don't forget to leave a like and share this video with your friends. Your support helps the channel continue growing and creating even more drawing tutorials. And if you'd like to draw Buzz's adventurous partner, cowgirl Jessie, click the card above and check out our complete tutorial. Also, let me know in the comments, would you like to see an exclusive Toy Story drawing playlist here on the channel? I'd love to hear which Toy Story character you'd like us to draw next. Continue adding the shoulder armor, chest plate, and the large collar surrounding his neck. Little by little, all those shapes come together to create Buzz's iconic design.
Two-tone humming, headed out to the highway. I should have seen it coming through the years left in the dust. But after all the lessons learned, it would end the both of us. There's a first for everything, like a hand holding mine. Now I'm left here with the pain from her I love you goodbye. And though it hurts to watch my whole world become the woman she would be, the thing that I forgot would set her free. I taught her how to leave. Summer, man, it feels like yesterday when she was looking out that window on the bus to second grade. The first step she'd ever take, the first cut from a heartbreak. Been through it all, but now it's time to go our separate ways. But there's a first for everything, like her hand holding mine. From her I love you goodbye. And though it hurts to watch my whole world become the woman she would be, the thing that I forgot would set her free. I taught her how to leave. There's a first for everything, like her hand holding mine. Now I'm left here with the pain from her I love you goodbye. And though it hurts to watch my baby girl become the woman she would be, the thing that I forgot would set her free. I taught her how to leave. just to get to our ever after. Something about this has changed. I wanna feel you close again. Don't let go. No, I don't want this to end.
One of the best ways to make this drawing easy and fun is by simplifying some of the tiny details. In our version, we left out the small printed text on Buzz's suit and created more minimal versions of the decals and badges. Feel free to add extra details later if you'd like, but this approach keeps the drawing much more enjoyable. And wow, our Buzz is looking fantastic in this heroic pose, isn't he? As we continue refining the arms and torso, remember that every shape doesn't have to be absolutely perfect. The overall proportions and silhouette are what make the character recognizable.
You told me love wasn't true, 'cause it didn't feel real to a cynic like you, but I'm pretty sure we walked into something. Something about this has changed. I wanna feel you close again. Don't let go. No, I don't want this to end. Remember the start when you break in my heart again like blood on a thread. Would it matter then when everything starts to fade? Back like it's yesterday. I want it all full send. Would it matter then? Would it matter then? Would it matter then? Another time around the block, I loved you around the clock. Break of dawn, might as well be midnight, talking on the dock. Everyone around us knows, they say we're soulmates and it shows. So I wanna see where this could go, this could go. Break the news to everyone, the long time wait is finally done. I wasn't hanging around for fun, you could be the one. Remember the start when you break in my heart again like blood on a thread. Would it matter then when everything starts to fade? Back like it's yesterday. I want it all full send. Would it matter then? Would it matter then? Would it matter then? Would it
And here are some color tips for when you go to color your Buzz. Start with bright white and light gray tones for most of the spacesuit. Instead of leaving the white areas completely flat, try adding soft gray shadows beneath the armor plates, around the joints, and under the chin to give the suit more depth. The green armor pieces can be colored with vibrant green as the base, adding darker green tones where shadows naturally fall, and lighter green highlights along the curved surfaces. Buzz's purple accents help create a nice contrast. Use rich purple for the neck area, helmet trim, and smaller armor details. Then add darker shades for depth and lighter highlights to make them pop. For the face, begin with a light peach skin tone. Add slightly darker shades around the jawline, ears, cheeks, and beneath the chin. Then finish with soft highlights across the forehead, nose, and cheeks to give the character a lively expression. The colorful buttons on his chest can be painted using bright blue, red, green, and yellow to make the control panel really stand out. Of course, these are only suggestions. Feel free to color Buzz however you like and add your own creative style to make the artwork uniquely yours. And here's our Buzz Lightyear! He turned out absolutely amazing and looks ready for another mission across the galaxy. I hope you had fun and were inspired. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye-bye!